Namaste dear students. So in the last class we were discussing about coefficient of variation. Hope the last problem which we did is clear to you. So in raw data we saw, isn't it? In raw data what we are doing? First we have to compute CV. For computing CV we have to compute x bar and standard deviation. So x bar is sigma x divided by n, and in ungrouped data standard deviation is square root of sigma x square by n minus sigma x by n the whole square. So computing standard deviation we have to compute x square, isn't it? Next we compute CV equal to sigma divided by x bar into 100, isn't it? So sigma divided by x bar into 100. Which CV is less, that series is more consistent. So CV more means variability more, CV less means variability is less, that series is more consistent. Can we do some more problems of that coefficient of variation? This one important, usually asked as 10 marks. So we will do one more problem. The number of runs scored by two batsmen A and B in different innings are as follows. A, here B. A 12, next 115, next 6, next 73, 7, next 19, 119, 36, 84, 29. Here 47, 12, 76, 42, 4, 51, 37, 48, next 13, 0. Who is better run scorer? I will write here only. Who is better run scorer? Second one, this is first question. Second one, who is more consistent? Okay. See, first read the question carefully. So here the number of runs scored by two batsmen are there, batsman A and batsman B. So their runs in 10 innings, 10 it seems, different innings they told, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 innings given. So in these are the runs scored by batsman A, first one. These are the runs scored by batsman B. Who is, two questions are there, who is better run scorer? Better run scorer means who has average more. So average runs more, iddava he is a better scorer. So we have to find x bar also. However, for finding coefficient of variation we are computing x bar. Second one, who is more consistent? So who is more consistent means yes, who has a less CV, he is more consistent. So here also we have to find CV. For finding CV we have to compute x bar and sigma. So one by one we will do. First we will do for batsman A. Okay, batsman A. This is also ungrouped data, remember, batsman A. Okay. Here x, I am writing x itself. Next x square. X is 12, 115, 6, 73, 7, Next 19, 119, 36, 84. Correct na? Next x square is required to compute which one? To compute standard deviation. Correct na? So x square 144. Next 13225. They are a bit lengthier, means larger numbers. 6 6 are 36. 5329, 49, 361, 14161, 1296, 7056, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It's over. 84 remain. Last one 84. Next 29 is there. Okay. 29 is there. 29 is 841. Okay. Sigma x I will write here. Sigma x means x columns total. Sigma x means x column total. It is 500, and sigma x square means x square column total. Idre x square madid here, only that much. Its total is 42498. Clear na? Yes, what we did, x we wrote as given in the problem, the runs scored by batsman A. Next x square means its square. Next total of both columns. After that what we have to do, x bar equal to sigma x divided by n. Sigma x is 500, n number of observations 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 500 divided by 10, 50. Next sigma is square root of sigma x square divided by n minus sigma x divided by n the whole square. Correct na? Sigma x square is 42498 divided by n 10 minus 50 the whole square. The final answer I will write. See, you can do the same in the calculator. So 41.8306. Clear na? Sigma means just substitute the values what and all we got there. Next CV equal to sigma divided by x bar into 100. Sigma is how much? Sigma is 41.8306 divided by x bar is 50 into 100. Answer is sigma by x bar into 100. Okay, sorry, this one 41. Correct. 41.83. CV answer is 83.6612. That much percentage. So this is the final answer for computing CV. CV of batsman A. So CV of batsman A, how much? Batsman A, this one. Batsman A, x values. X value means points or runs. This is x square. 144, 132, 25, 36, everything it's a square. Its total is 500. This total is 42498. Correct na? So x bar equal to sigma x divided by n. 500 divided by 10. That is 50. Correct na? Next sigma equal to square root of sigma x square by n minus sigma x by n the whole square. So sigma x by n the whole square, that is 41.8306. Next CV, coefficient of variation CV equal to sigma divided by x bar into 100. So it is 41.8306 divided by 50 into 100. Answer is 83.6612%. Clear na? Same we have to do for batsman B. So can we do here? So hope this much clear to you. I will rub this one for the time being. Just remember it is 83.6612. So again doing, I will tell this one. So we will go to, else I will rub this one. so that it will be good. Okay. Okay, batsman B. I'll do here. Batsman B. Batsman B. Here also x and x square. X and x square. Here x value changes. X value just go through the problem once. 47, 12, 76. That one. 47, 12, 76, 42. 4, 51, 3, next, this is separate, 3, next, 4, 51, 37, 48, 37, 48, 13, 0, okay. Next, it's a square, 47 square, 12 square. Why x square required? X square is required to compute our standard deviation, isn't it? 47 square is 2209. 2209. 12 square 144. 76 square 5776. 5776. 42 square. Okay, 76, 5776, 42 square 1764, 1764, 4 4s are 16, correct na? Next 51, 2601, 2601, 1369, 1369, 2304, 2304, 13 13s are 169, last 0 zeros are 0, correct na? So, its total and this total, both total I have to compute for computing x bar and sigma. First total is 330. First one is 330. This total is sigma x square 16352. 16,352. Clear na this much? Yes, clear na? Yes, what we computed x, we know it is given in the problem. We have to compute x square also. Next total of x and total of x square. Next sigma x bar we have to compute. X bar equal to sigma x divided by n. Sigma x is 330 divided by n means 10. 330 divided by 10, that is 33. Sigma equal to square root of sigma x square divided by n minus sigma x divided by n the whole square. Correct na? That is sigma x square 16,352 divided by n. N is a number of observations minus 33 the whole square. Okay. You will get the answer. Final answer I will write. You can do 16,353.2 you will get minus 33 square. 33 into 33 you will do. So, this one minus this one you will get one quantity. Its square root. Answer is 23.3709. That is sigma. Okay. Next what we have to do? We have to compute coefficient of variation. Correct na? So, coefficient of variation CV equal to sigma divided by x bar into 100. Sigma I got 23.3709, x bar is 33 into 100, that is 70.82. 70.82. So, here remember one thing, here two questions were there. First question, who is better run scorer, isn't it? Who is better run scorer means who has more x bar. X bar ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ, average runs ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ he is better run scorer. So, x bar of first one 50, x bar of second one 33. Who is better run scorer? Definitely see here, this one, batsman A. Who is more consistent? Second question, who is more consistent? Who is more consistent means who the person or the batsman who has a less CV. Here a CV 70 point, here it is 83 point. So definitely batsman B is more consistent. Better run scorer adre you have to compute X bar. X bar jaasti idre better run scorer. CV less idre more consistent. So you have to write this one. So I will write the conclusion. I will write the conclusion here only. Since CV of X bar, first X bar of batsman A, X bar of A greater than X bar of B, X bar of B, batsman A is more or better run scorer. Then and since CV of B, here B less, CV of B less than CV of A, batsman B more consistent. Average scorer is average scorer who is a better run scorer means definitely A. Then batsman B is more consistent because his CV is less. Coefficient of variation less means he is more consistent. So which one? Just go through again. Remember, better run scorer adre run scorer X bar jaasti idre better run scorer, CV less idre more consistent. So clear na? Yes, we will do one more problem of same CV, but sometimes here it is raw data or ungrouped data. In ungrouped data, just compute x square. X however given, x square you have to compute. Next do. See, sometimes frequency may be given. In such case, how to do this one? See, next problem. Goals scored by two teams A and B. Goals scored by two teams A and B. In football are as follows. See, number of goals scored right here. Here team A, team B. Team A, team B. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 22, 8, 7, 8, 3. 8, 3. This one 11, 10, 8, 7, 4. 8, 7, 4. See here, find which team is more consistent. Find which team is more consistent. Okay. So remember here, read the question properly. Here what and all given? Goals scored by two teams, team A and team B. Number of goals. The number of goals is coming as X here, and team A, this is 0 goals. How many times they scored? 22 times. 1 goal 8 times. 0 goal team B adre 11 times. Means these are coming as frequencies. So remember, such problems also may be used in asked in the exam. So it is X, this is F, this is F. Clear na? So next, as usual, we have to compute. Only the difference here is frequencies are coming. So the formula changes, it is in the discrete series. So we will go to one by one. X value same, F value only differs, frequencies only differs. First we will do team A. Team A, first X value, next F values. X 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, same 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next F value, say F value here 22, 8, next 7, 8, 3, 7, 8, 3, correct na? Next we have to compute x bar and sigma. For computing x bar and sigma, what and all columns are required you have to do. X square is required 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. Next f into x, next f into x square. This much columns are required. F into x, 22 zeros are 8 ones are 8, 7 2s are 14, 8 3s are 24, 4 3s are 12. F into x square, this one into this, 22 into 0, this one, 8 ones are 8, 7 4s are 28, 8 9s are 72, 16 4s are 48. Correct na? So here totals, this total is 48, this is 48. Sigma fx total is 58. Sigma f into x square total is 156. Clear na? First we have to compute x bar. X bar equal to sigma fx divided by capital N. Sigma fx is 58 divided by 48. Answer is 1.208. Sigma standard deviation you have to compute, it is sigma fx square divided by n minus sigma fx divided by n the whole square. Same formula which we applied for discrete series direct method. Answer is, I am writing directly 1.109. Okay. Next CV. CV equal to sigma divided by x bar into 100. Answer is 91.8. 91.8%. Clear na? 91.8%. Sigma divided by x bar into 100. So hope this much clear to you. Clear na? Next same we have to do for computing CV of team B. So I will write here team B. Team B, first x values, next x square, next f, next x square, next f into x, next f into x square. Remember it is f into x square, not fx the whole square. So team B is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one same 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. F values 11, 10, next 8, 7, 4. 8, 7, 4. X square which one? 0 square 0, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. F into x, 11 zeros are 10 ones are 8 twos are 7 threes are 21, 4 fours are 16. Correct na? Next f into x square, this one into this one. So 10 ones are 10, 8 fours are 32, 7 nines are 63, here 64. Correct na? It's totally how to compute. Sigma fx is 63, sigma fx square 169, 0, 10, 32, 63. Correct. Here it is 40. Next one by one you compute x bar. X bar sigma fx divided by capital N here. There also same. I wrote the same there. Sigma fx is 163 divided by 40. Answer is 1.575. 1.575. Sigma equal to square root of, same formula, sigma fx square divided by n minus sigma fx divided by n the whole square. It is again you can substitute 169 divided by 40 minus 169 divided by sigma fx square by n minus sigma fx, 63 divided by 40 the whole square. Answer, final answer I will write 1.3207. Okay. So, next CV. CV equal to sigma divided by x bar into 100. Answer is 83.85. That much percentage. So, they asked which team is more consistent. Which team is more consistent means which team has less CV. Less CV idre more consistent. Correct na? Less CV. Which less CV? Here it is 91 point, that 83 point. Which team? Team B. So, since CV of team B less than CV of team A, team B is more consistent. Team B is more consistent. Clear na? So, this is the another type. Here frequency directly given. Remember, frequency directly given here. X values given, frequency also given. So, this is the second case, discrete series. In discrete series also same method, only the difference here frequency comes. So, formula changes here. So, which CV is less, that team is more consistent. So, we will do 1 or 2 problems, again 1 or 2 problems in the next class, CV problems. Similarly, if upper limits are given and less than cumulative frequency, such things are there na. So, in that case also we can find how to find compute standard deviation, variance and all we will do in the next class. So, hope this much is clear to you. CV problems. CV problems are very important. So, you have to go through the problems. Okay, thank you.